Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a very wonderful yet simple and protein rich nourishing hair treatment. This is the hair pack which is made of just two ingredients which are easily available. This hair pack will promote hair growth, stop dandruff, it will prevent hair fall and also help to keep your scalp infection free. This will also help to keep your hair shinier, smoother and stronger. This hair pack is easy to make, and if you want to know, please continue watching. One of the best nourishments which you can give to your hair is through using these flowers, either in the form of hibiscus hair oil or shampoo or even hair pack. These brightly colored hibiscus flowers are rich in nutrients such as amino acids that are necessary for producing keratin, the building blocks of our hair. These flowers are capable of stimulating hair growth or even from dormant follicles. The next ingredient for this hair gel is flax seeds. These are the flax seeds which I purchased online. It is easily available in any supermarkets also. The flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and hair. The nutrient promotes the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps to improve circulation in the head, thus promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. So I am using 2 tablespoons of this flax seeds. The method to make this hair gel is that I have to boil or cook the flax seeds to form the gel. For that I'll be taking 2 cups of water and I'll add 2 tablespoons of these flax seeds and allow it to boil in a low flame so that this flax seeds slowly liberates its gel into the water. As the water starts to boil, the flax seeds tend to liberate the gel into the water. You need to stir it occasionally so that the flax seeds doesn't stick to the bottom. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you can make out that the flax seed is cooked and the water has become jelly. After removing from the fire and cooling it for 5 to 10 minutes, you need to strain this. To strain it, use a strainer which has a bit larger pore so that you can separate the gel with the seeds easily. At least you need to get 1 cup of the flaxseed gel. After you cool it completely, this is how it looks. It is very thick and jelly type. So these are the flowers which I am using, but what I showed you in the beginning of this video was fresh flowers, and I could make this gel only the next day. That is why the flowers have become pale, but it is okay. You can use those flowers too. So to make this gel, I am going to grind the flowers and along with the gel of flaxseed and make it into a smooth paste. So this is how the paste looks. This is very good paste which you can use on your hair. Apply this hair pack from the root to the tip and leave it for 1 to 2 hours before you can shampoo it with mild shampoo. This can be used once in a week and this is suitable for all hair types. If you have very dry scalp or hair, then you can apply hair oil before using this hair pack. Using this hair pack regularly will improve the texture of your hair. It will keep it smooth and shiny. It will also improve the condition of your scalp by reducing dandruff, thereby reducing hair fall and improving the hair growth. So try this mask and see how it works for you. If you like it, please share this video, and if you want more such DIYs, please comment in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.